In the fast-paced HVAC industry, maintaining strong, reliable customer relationships is vital. HVAC service agreements are the backbone of these relationships, ensuring that systems run smoothly with routine maintenance and repairs. However, managing these agreements manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors, creating inefficiencies and potential issues for both businesses and customers. That's where specialized HVAC software comes into play. Create service agreement for each equipment. Send it to customer electronically for approval. Once approved, software will create all the recurring jobs based on the approved maintenance schedule. Additionally, the software centralizes contract management, ensuring that businesses always have access to up-to-date agreements while allowing for customization to meet individual customer needs. Imagine being able to automatically send reminders for service renewals or schedule technicians without a lot of efforts. With HVAC software, these repetitive tasks are handled seamlessly, improving both efficiency and accuracy. This not only reduces the administrative burden on your team, but also ensures that your clients are receiving a consistently high level of service. Moreover, the software enhances communication by sending timely updates and notifications, keeping customers informed and fostering a sense of trust and reliability. But that's not all. The data insights provided by HVAC software give businesses a better understanding of customer preferences and system performance. These insights help refine service agreements and create tailored solutions that meet specific customer demands, setting businesses up for long-term success. From automation to personalization, HVAC software is revolutionizing the way businesses manage their service agreements, ultimately leading to improved customer retention and business growth. Ready to discover how HVAC software can transform your service agreement management? Head over to our website and dive into the full blog to explore all the ways these tools can benefit your business. Scan the QR code now.